Guys, it was such a beautiful day today. I didn't want to be stuck in the kitchen inside, so I brought the kitchen outside. And we're going to cook spaghetti marinara. Spaghetti marinara is a pasta, is a seafood pasta made with fresh local seafood. And I'm going to use the mussels just to give you that really nice sea flavour. You're going to love it. So let's hit it.
First, let's boil some water. For this, I'm using a whole chilli. Split in half, scrape the seeds, chop finely. Set it aside. Some flat leaf parsley, it's been washed. Chop finely, set aside. Once water boils, add some salt. Cook your pasta almost al dente. I've got some beautiful fresh scallops. Cut them in half, widthwise. If they're really small, just skip this step. With the mussels, you want to make sure they've been cleaned. Just scrub them and remove any beards. Okay, let's start cooking. Some olive oil. And you want high heat. Some prawns or shrimps. You want to sear them nicely on each side. That's where all the flavour is. No need to cook them right through just yet. Now set them aside as seafood cooks at different rates. Some anchovies. Place them on a cutting board and give them a rough chop. Back with the same pan on high heat. You may need a little more olive oil. Add the capers, the chopped chilli and the chopped anchovies. Some garlic, minced or chopped. Mix it up and leave it until it starts to brown. Then quickly deglaze with white wine. Add some marinara sauce, it's a tomato sauce. You can buy it or see my recipe how to make it. Now mix that up. Add the mussels, give them a mix and cook for 3 minutes with the lid on. Return the prawns and add the scallops. Add the chopped parsley. Now drain and add your spaghetti straight to the sauce. Cook for another 30 seconds. Mix well. Spaghetti marinara is ready.
Oh, yum.